Hello, good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start a new concept related to the chapter 2 Shapes and Angles. In this concept, we will learn how to count the number of angles in the given shape. So, as we have already learned about the angles in our previous classes, types of angles, right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle. Do you know what is right angle? Yes, we have already learned when one line is standing straight on another line, the angle formed is called right angle. And what is the measure of right angle? Right angle is of 90 degree. The measure of right angle is of 90 degree. And what is acute angle? Any angle which measures less than 90 degree is called acute angle. So here in this figure, this is acute angle, this is acute angle, this is acute angle. These all are acute angles, and any angle which measures more than 90 degree are called obtuse angle. Here this is 90 degree angle, and any angle measures more than 90 degree. This measures more than 90 degree, so this is obtuse angle. This is obtuse angle. This is obtuse angle. So these all are obtuse angle. So let's move towards our question. Question number 1. Here we have to count the number of angles given in the triangle. So here we will count the number of angle in this triangle. Here this is the angle. Here this is the angle. This is the angle, and this is the angle. So how many angles are there in a triangle? There are 3 angles. Now we will see these 3 angles are acute angle, obtuse angle or right angle. Among these 3 angles, how many are acute, how many are obtuse and how many are right angle? Okay, so let's see. This is the baseline. This is the baseline, and this line is standing straight on the baseline. So angle formed is called right angle. So this angle is right angle. This is right angle. Now if we consider this as the baseline, this as the baseline, okay, and this is not standing straight on baseline, this is less than 90 degrees, so this angle is called acute angle. This angle is called acute angle. Now the third one is, this is considered as the baseline, and this line is not standing straight on another line. This is less than 90 degrees. So these two lines making this angle, and this angle is of less than 90 degrees. So this is also acute angle. This is also acute angle, and this is right angle. Okay students, so total number of angle is 3, number of acute angle is 1, 2, 2, number of obtuse angle is 0, and number of right angle is 1. Okay students, got it? Now here is your answer. Here this is acute angle, this is right angle, this is acute angle. So total 3 angles. Among 3, 2 are acute and 1 is right angle. There is no obtuse angle in the given shape. Okay students, let's move towards the second question. In this question, let's count the number of angles. This is first angle, this is second angle, this is third angle, this is fourth angle, and this is fifth angle. So total number of angles in this figure is 5. Total number of angles in this figure is 5. Now we will see among these 5 angles how many are acute, how many are obtuse, and how many are right angle. So let's start. Consider this as a baseline, and this line is standing straight on the baseline. So angle formed here is right angle. So this angle is right angle. Now the second one, this time consider this as a baseline and this line is standing straight on the baseline. So angle formed here is also right angle. Now the third one is, this time consider this as a baseline and this will be equal to 90 degree. But here this is not given, line is this. So this line is making angle with this line which is greater than 90 degree. So this angle is obtuse angle. Now consider this as a baseline. This will be equal to 90 degree, but this is not given. This line is making angle with this line. So this is greater than 90 degrees. So this angle is also obtuse angle. Now the last one is, this line and this line is making angle less than 90 degree. This angle. So this is acute angle. Okay. So finally in this figure we have seen that this is the angle, right angle. This is right angle. This is obtuse angle. This is also obtuse angle. And this is acute angle. So total number of angles in this figure is 5. Number of acute angle, this, only 1. Number of obtuse angle, this one and this one, 2. Number of right angle, this one and this one, 2. Okay students. So here is the answer. This is first angle. This is second angle. This is third angle. This is fourth angle. And this is fifth angle. So total number of angles are in this figure is 5. Among these 5 angles, this is acute angle. So only one angle is acute. This is obtuse angle. This is obtuse angle. So 2 angles are obtuse. This is right angle and this is right angle. So 2 angles are right angle. Okay students, thank you and have a nice day.